Saturday, July 8th, and I did add some new yarns to the sale table today, so I just wanted to quickly show you what these are. It is edition 3 from Shopful, and it is a spin cycle substitute, fabulous yarn, self-striper, nice twist, double colors. It was $16.95. It's now $12.71, and I have 7 colors. So this is lovely. Teals, lime, you know I like that with the blue. This black and white with gray, very cool. This is orange and blue. These are my old camp colors, Camp Osawa. This one is more fallish, right? It's got some gold and green and purple and navy blue. I told you the price. Let me tell you the yardage. It's 165 yards on a ball. This is great. This pink should make Viv a sweater out of this. Pink, yellow, green, aqua. Lovely. This is happy, sort of, I don't know, all kinds of colors. Blue, not pastels though. Magenta, the green in there, orange, yellow. Love that one. And last but not least, you can never go wrong with a little purple and lime green and hunter green. Gorgeous. So 7 colors of Shopful edition 3. And I put some more stuff out there too. So just stay posted. And P.S. watch your email on Monday, because you know, I'm sure you've heard that Amazon Prime is next Tuesday and Wednesday, and we will not let Amazon Prime have anything on us. So there'll be some treats for Tuesday and Wednesday. That's my teaser. All right, have a great Sunday. Gosh, I'm afraid it's going to be stormy, but peaceful in your heart with your family. I hope it is contemplative and quiet, rejuvenative, and we will see you back here at Bella Filati on Monday, July 8, 9, 10. All right, I'll see you then.